Hi friends, today I am going to teach trigonometry identities, this chapter. Those who watch my videos, you must subscribe my channel Icon Academy Bajroni, and you can follow my Facebook page Goel Boishaki Robi. Students, you must watch this episode up to last, then you understand properly. You must learn trigonometry very carefully because it takes a great role in higher studies. You know algebraic identities. What is algebraic identity? And algebraic equation is algebraic identity. What is trigonometric identity? An equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called trigonometric identities. Here I draw a right angle triangle A, B and C. C is a right angle and angle B and A are acute angle. B theta. This is hypotenuse AB, AC height and BC base. Now I find the ratio of sin theta. Number 1, the identity, 6 identities here, sin theta. This is theta equal to height by hypotenuse. Height by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equal to AC by AB. AC by AB. Number 2, cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Equal to base here BC by AB. BC by AB. Number 3, tan theta. Tan theta equal to height by base. Height by base equal to here height AC by base BC. Cosec theta equal to just sin theta equal to height by hypotenuse. Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by height, means AB by AC. Number 5, sec theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base means hypotenuse here AB by base BC. AB by BC. And number 6, cot theta equal to base by height. Base by height equal to base here BC by height AC. Watch it carefully. Sin theta equal to height by hypotenuse. Cosec theta equal to hypotenuse by height. Similarly, cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse by base. Tan theta equal to height by base. Cot theta equal to base by height. So sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta. That means they are in reciprocal relation. Therefore, sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Similarly, cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta means therefore cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Number 3, tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Therefore, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. They are in reciprocal relation. Now I say the quotient relation. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Now I tell the fundamental identities. Number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Number 2, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Number 3, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. Now I solve sin theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosec theta cot theta, which had come in 2016. Now write the left hand side. LHS equal to sin theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to, must note this step, sin theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This step is very important. 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta I multiply here, equal to sin theta 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, means 1 minus cos square theta, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, equal to sin theta by 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Sin square theta. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Equal to, here sin theta, here sin square theta. So, reduce lowest form sin theta. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta equal to 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta equal to 1 by sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta equal to cosec theta. Cosec theta plus cos theta by sin theta equal to cot theta. This is cosec theta plus cos theta, cot theta equal to RHS. Therefore, this equal to this means LHS equal to RHS. proved. So sin theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Now I solve cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta equal to sin theta plus cos theta, which had come in 2015 and 23. Now solve it. This is left hand side, LHS equal to cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta equal to, here cos theta by 1 minus tan theta I convert into sin cos. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta equal to cos theta by, here cos theta minus sin theta plus sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta equal to reciprocal of this equal to cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta plus sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Here cos theta minus sin theta, here sin theta minus cos theta. So I can write equal to cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta. This is sin theta minus cos theta. If I write cos theta minus sin theta, then sin minus sin square theta by cos theta minus sin theta equal to, here LCM cos theta minus sin theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to a square minus b square cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta equal to cos theta plus sin theta. I write here sin theta plus cos theta, then you must change sin theta plus cos theta equal to RHS. Now this is left hand side, cos theta by 1 minus tan theta plus sin theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to sin theta plus cos theta. So we prove LHS equal to RHS, proved. I have made this chapter in 3 parts. You must watch these 3 parts, then you understand this chapter properly. I try to solve these questions which had came in previous years.